Zemblanity. Zemblanity is just an opposite word of serendipity. We have a video on serendipity. The link is pasted below in description. You may click on that for the meaning of serendipity. Just like serendipity was having fortunate or pleasant events or discoveries by chance, Zemblanity is just being the opposite of making unpleasant discoveries, of having unpleasant occurrences your way by chance, unluckily, or having unfortunate events. Zemblanity hasn't achieved mainstream status, and general populace hardly knows this word. And it has occasionally used in theatrical performances and in a legal judgment in Ireland in 2012 by Michael Pert. Life is full of Zemblanities. I went to a late night party and there I met my harsh teacher I didn't want to encounter. That was just Zemblanity. I resigned from the job and joined new company. But there I found my colleague, my ex-classmate I hated most. That is just Zemblanity. I didn't want to work with him. But that's just unfortunate, unplanned, uncalled, and just came my way by chance. Etymology. The word was coined by William Boyd, who probably took this word from a novel Pale Fire, which features the distant northern land of Zembla and a series of apparent coincidences that are actually deliberate linkage of events. And that name of Zembla is probably taken from Russian islands of northern Novaya Zemlya, which is actually a frigid, barren, far off island was used by Russians for nuclear testing. Just like serendipity was derived from the word serendip, which is an old name of Sri Lanka, a beautiful country with lush green fields and famous for its tourism. Similarly, the same sense is employed here, and far off and a barren island of Novaya Zemlya is used for the word Zemblanity, which is exactly